Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon general in Roblox. First, you'll want to understand the core elements of the bacon general look, which typically involves the classic Roblox bacon hair combined with military-style clothing. This guide will walk you through selecting the right items, both free and those requiring Robux, to achieve this iconic avatar. We'll cover everything from head to toe, ensuring your character stands out. To begin, head to the avatar editor. The most crucial element is the bacon hair, which is a free item available to all players. Next, select a standard Roblox boy or girl body type. Avoid any custom packages for this look. For the face, choose a default option like smile or classic male face to maintain the traditional aesthetic. These foundational choices are key to building your general. Now, let's focus on the uniform. Search for a green or camouflage military-style shirt in the clothing section. There are many free and low Robux options available. Complement this with matching military pants to complete the basic outfit. To enhance the general feel, you might add a simple accessory like a tactical backpack or a toy weapon, if desired. Remember, simplicity often works best for this classic look. Once you've selected all your items, take a moment to review your avatar in the editor. Make sure everything is equipped correctly and that you're happy with the overall appearance of your bacon general. Don't forget to save your outfit so you can easily switch back to it anytime. This ensures your hard work isn't lost. For more great deals and the link to those amazing socks, check the description below. Enjoy commanding your troops in style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.